Hello, welcome back. Here's how you can export a Figma project into an After Effects project. So, Figma is a designing platform for websites, but what if you want to export these elements in a Figma project so that it's all combined in a new After Effects project? To do this, select them all, and then right-click, Plugins, Manage Plugins, and then search for Convertify, which is this one. Click it, and then click on Run. Alright, right click, Plugins, and then click on Convertify. Okay, alright, it's loaded now. So here we have several options. And then you have this option, Export Figma to Unlayered APS for Print, which is able to be opened in Adobe Illustrator, and then afterwards you simply click on export this page, and then when you're done exporting it into EPS, open Adobe Illustrator, click on download EPS. We've got our EPS file, extract it, right click, and then extract to page 2 EPS files just like this, and then double click on it, and then afterwards you simply just open Adobe Illustrator, and then insert everything into Illustrator. So starting from the rectangle, and then you insert all of the elements here. So subtract 1, and then the text. When you're done, save it, Control S, and then name it progress bar, enter, and then click on OK. Open After Effects now. Once you've opened After Effects, click on New Composition, 1080p, 60 fps, 15 seconds for example, and then click on OK, and then drag the Illustrator file. Go to Project, and then drag this one, the progress bar file that we created. And then click on Merge Layers when you're done. And then when you're done, it'll look like this pretty much. Right click, and then afterwards head over to create, and then click on create shapes, just like this one. All good. Now every elements are ready to be animated. There are some elements that need some tweaking actually. For path 2, click here so that it's trimmed, and then you're ready to animate the entire thing. That's how you can export a Figma file into an Adobe After Effects file. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.